Now, ahead of the upcoming assembly elections in Uttar Pradesh, the Income Tax Department is raiding Samajwadi Party leader and spokesperson Rajiv Rai in UP's Mao. Rai is also a close aide of Akhilesh Yadav. Apart from Rai, the premises of RCL group promoter Manoj Yadav in Mainpuri and Samajwadi Party leader Jainendra Yadav in Lucknow were also raided. SP chief Akhilesh Yadav has hit out at the BJP for targeting SP cadre. He said that BJP is using these agencies to threaten them. Income tax officials arrived with a convoy of 12 vehicles at Manoj Yadav and has been surrounded in fact by security forces. Drilling is going on inside the house. Nobody is allowed to enter or leave the premises that the raid is underway. SP spokesperson Rajiv Rai's residence in Mao has been raided as well. He owns many schools in several cities.
राजीव राय हमारी पार्टी के प्रवक्ता हैं। वो दिन रात समाजवादी पार्टी को मजबूत बनाने के लिए जहां जैसे काम कर सकते हैं कर रहे हैं। आज उनको भी छापा मार दिया। आखिरकार चुनाव से पहले ही क्यों? चुनाव से एक महीना पहले क्यों नहीं? अगर कोई जानकारी थी उनके पास, जब कभी उन्होंने अपना सबमिट किया होगा, बैलेंस शीट या इनकम टैक्स दिया होगा, तब भी छापा मार सकते थे, तब भी नोटिस दे सकते थे, तब भी पूछताछ कर सकते थे। लेकिन जैसे ही चुनाव करीब आया है, ये डिपार्टमेंट भी अब चुनाव लड़ने उत्तर प्रदेश में आ गया है।
जैसे जैसे उत्तर प्रदेश में चुनाव पास आएगा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी हर तरह का हथकंडा अपनाना चाहती है। चाहे कितनी भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी यहां सरकारी तंत्र का दुरुपयोग कर ले, उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता ने आपको हराने का मन बना लिया है।
Samar Srivastava is getting us more details on that big story. He's joining us from Amethi right now, where the Congress is also interestingly having its own campaign in the run-up to elections. But Samar, coming back to the income tax raids, this obviously is being seen by the Samajwadi Party as political vendetta of sorts, isn't it? That's a predictable reaction, really.
Well, intimidation tactics. This is what Akhilesh Yadav has just said and in a way replied back to the IT department raids in Rajiv Rai, the SP leader, the SP spokesperson and other two aides including Jainendra Yadav and Manoj Yadav. It is worth mentioning that the three persons including Manoj Yadav in Mao, Jainendra Yadav's home in Lucknow and Agra, while Rajiv Rai's home in Mao, all these places have been raided by the Income Tax Department. And what Akhilesh Yadav has said that the ruling BJP is misusing the central agency. That is just the start. He has said it is not just about IT. The game has begun from income tax. Now you will see CBI coming in. Now you will see ED coming in, as there are few days left before the Uttar Pradesh polls. So that is why all these things are happening. Akhilesh also questioned that why such things did not take place months before, as if there was something, it was everything in knowledge of IT or ED. But now when elections are nearing and when you are seeing that the SP Rath Yatra is going on and Akhilesh Yadav is firepowering everything. So these were the allegations made by SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav. But on the other hand, the IT raids are on. Around 12 vehicles reached Mao early morning, while in Lucknow, near Ambedkar Park, in Mainpuri and in Agra. So all these things are happening as Akhilesh Yadav has just said. So it's going to be worth interesting, as it is not just limited to IT raids. Now it has become a political event, as before elections, whenever such things happen, he did not even spare Congress. Akhilesh Yadav said Congress did such things years before, as whenever there was something against Congress, they used to take help from the government agencies, and this is what BJP is doing. So he also take on Congress, BJP, all those parties. As it was mentioning here, hardly 30 kilometers from Amethi in Raebareli, Akhilesh Yadav is taking out the Rath Yatra. It is the second day of the Rath Yatra, and he's slamming the government from there. So all these things are happening, and IT raids are currently on in a few other places, and it's going to be very interesting what comes out from these raids, as Rajiv Rai is somebody very close to Akhilesh Yadav, Manoj and Jainendra. Jainendra was the OSD when Akhilesh was in power before 2017. So these are the things, and it's going to be very crucial what comes out from these raids. Yes.
Samar Srivastava, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Now, staying with Uttar Pradesh elections, it's a mega Vikas push by Prime Minister Modi in battleground UP. The Prime Minister is laying the foundation stone of the Ganga Expressway at Shahjahanpur district of Uttar Pradesh, and this event is at 1 p.m. today. The 594-kilometer long expressway will connect 12 districts of the state, including Meerut and Prayagraj. It's built at a cost of 36,000 rupees, 3.5-kilometer airstrip, The Ganga Expressway will connect western UP to eastern UP and states like Delhi, Haryana and Bihar. Also 519 villages, 9 public convenience centers, 7 railway overbridges, 126 minor bridges, 381 underpasses will be built. It's traveling across 12 districts in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
उत्तर प्रदेश के माननीय सांसद हैं काशी से हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी, और उनके जितने अधिक कार्यक्रम मिल जाएं ये तो उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए सौभाग्य की बात है, पार्टी के लिए सौभाग्य की बात है। उनको लोग सुनना चाहते हैं, देखना चाहते हैं। जहाँ तक गंगा एक्सप्रेस वे के शिलान्यास का विषय है, वो तो देश का सबसे बड़ा एक्सप्रेस वे है। उत्तर प्रदेश के मेरठ से प्रयागराज तक को जोड़ने वाला है और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के हाथों से उसका शिलान्यास होना ये गर्व की बात है।